In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a thank you slide in Canva. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional closing slide you can drop into any presentation to leave a polished final impression. First, open Canva. You can use the web version or the app, whichever you prefer. If you're not already on the home page, head there so you can see the design options. From the design types, click Presentation. This sets up the right canvas size and gives you access to layouts made specifically for slides, so everything will look crisp when you present. Next, use the search bar to find templates by typing Thank You Slide. You'll see a variety of styles, from minimalist to bold and colorful. Hover over a few to get a feel for the tone that matches your presentation. Choose one that aligns with your content and audience. Consistency matters, so if your presentation already has a look, pick a template that complements it. If you prefer starting simple, you can also choose a blank presentation slide and build from scratch within the same canvas. Now, add large thank you text. If the template already includes it, click the text and adjust the wording, size, font, or color so it stands out. Make thank you the visual focal point. Big, clear, and easy to read from a distance. Use a high contrast color against the background and avoid overly decorative fonts that might reduce legibility. Underneath, insert a short closing message. This can be as simple as, "We appreciate your time," "Thanks for watching," or "We look forward to your feedback." Keep it concise and supportive of your main message. Place it below the headline and reduce the font size so it acts as a friendly sign-off without competing with the main text. If it makes sense for your audience, add contact information. Keep it minimal. Think a general email address, website, or social handle. Position it along the bottom or in a corner to maintain balance. Use clear icons if you like, and ensure the text is readable on any background. Be mindful of privacy and only include details you're comfortable sharing publicly. Finally, include your logo or branding. Upload your logo if it's not already in your uploads, then place it in a corner with appropriate breathing room. Match colors and fonts to your brand so the slide feels cohesive with the rest of your presentation. Give everything a quick alignment check, confirm spacing, and you're done. That's your polished thank you slide in Canva, ready to leave a strong final impression.